Welcome to Simple Countertops Drawing Feature. The Draw feature is very easy to use. Standing in the middle of the kitchen, choose a starting point and work left to right, clockwise. Physically measure the full length of the first run, end to end. In the app, swipe upward on the drawing screen, typically the left-hand side of the grid. A pop-up will appear. Select the direction of the run, enter the length, adjust the depth if necessary. Press OK. The first run is added. You can move this placement. Select Move. Press and hold the run. Move it with your finger. Don't forget to select Stop Moving to continue. For the second run, make sure to measure all the way, end to end, left to right, including the width of the first counter run. Now, don't worry, this area will not be counted twice. Start a finger swipe within the end of the previous run, in the direction of the new run. The same pop-up will appear. Select the angle, adjust the length, adjust the depth. Press OK, and the second run is added. In this case, the fourth run is not connected. It's on the other side of the stove. Start another finger swipe away from the previous runs. Enter the angle, the length, and the depth. Not quite in the right spot? Remember the Move button. When done, don't forget to press Stop Moving. Remember, accurate dimensions are important, but exact on-screen placement is not. Add the fifth and final run with the same steps. Touch any single run to change it. The pop-up will return. Let's change the angle of the last run. Select the desired direction, press OK. Need to add a raised bar or windowsill? Follow the same steps. It is usually best to have some space between so that dimensions do not overlap later. You're done drawing the counter. Press the Next button. On the next pages, add such things as waterfall edges for counters that extend vertically down to the floor, long sweeping curved edges, finished edges, partial height backsplashes, full height backsplashes. Are there other areas of backsplash that have not yet been considered, such as the higher portion over a stove? Use the Add Additional Splash Note page to indicate the general area, the type of material to be used, and the square footage or dimensions. Use the Appliance page to add appliances or other labels like a windowsill, raised bar, a no seam section. Move these labels using the Move button. When finished, press the next arrow. You're all done.